In this episode of Gear Matters, we are looking at good ways to carry your riding gear when you need to travel somewhere before you start your ride. Traveling with riding gear can be tricky, but a few good practices and some tools can make this easier. Whether you're traveling by car or catching a flight, avoid the temptation to just carry a helmet in your hand. It's prone to being scratched, and even a silly slip could cause permanent damage to the helmet. Using the helmet bag that came with it or a thin bag like the Stash helmet bag will make it easier to carry your helmet secure. But it still does not offer much in terms of other protection. The ViaTerra helmet bags, both the street and the ADV versions, have soft inner lining, additional padding, and secure zippered compartments that keep your helmet far more secure. The large grab handles and built-in backpack straps make it much easier to carry your helmet safely in these bags. You even have a quick access pocket at the bottom through which you can push gloves, balaclavas, and more into the helmet to make the most of what you carry in the bag. The most cumbersome way to carry riding boots on a trip is by wearing them. It saves a lot from your check-in weight, though it might make every walk feel long. If you have the luxury of luggage allowance, pack these in some sort of protection to keep dust and grime off of your other gear. Ideally, packing them opposed to each other helps reduce the amount of space they take up overall. If you're in a car, you can use a boot bag. They are extremely easy to use, keep all the dirt contained, and have a large grab handle which makes it easy to carry. Whenever you're packing your riding jacket and pants, make sure to remove all the armor. This makes it easier to pack the garment down smaller and also keep the armor protected from breaking or tearing. If you have to carry only one bag, then pack your gear into the primary bag with the armor placed in a safe and protected position. If you carry two bags, you will be better off packing your riding apparel into a separate purpose-built bag that keeps the gear more organized and is also quite light overall. You will also have room to stow away all your riding extras. These are just a few convenient ways to carry riding gear in some typical travel situations. They can be adjusted and improved based on factors relevant to your particular trip. How do you usually carry your riding gear when you have to travel before you ride? Do you have any nifty tricks that work particularly well? Comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again in the next episode of Gear Matters.